Welcome to session 6, where we're going to open up some new online accounts, and then we're going to approach how to open up some social media accounts as well. So with the first part of this session, our students can open up their own Gmail and Google accounts, and those are the first ones we're going to approach. Then with the social media, students, you can follow along, but parents, you're going to be the ones who are going to open those accounts and then develop those accounts with our students. All right, so again, the first account that you're going to want to create, students and parents, you can do this if you'd like, or the students can do this on their own. Open up a new Google Gmail account. Before you begin building your online business, it's a good idea to open up a new email account to keep your business separate from your personal email accounts. Gmail and Google also provide some unique tools and practical tools that we're going to learn about a little bit later. So when you're coming up with a name for your new Google account, you want to use your business name. If your business name already exists, you can use just a variation of that business name. Let me give you an example of what I use. So we have a print-on-demand business called Clove and Lime. So our website is cloveandlime.com. Our Gmail account is cloveandlime@gmail.com. Now, I didn't put my personal email address on our website because I don't want customers contacting my personal email address. That's why we keep our business email separate from our personal emails. All right, let's talk about Google Docs in Google Drive. After you set up a Gmail account, you're going to click on the small white boxes on the top right of the screen, and then you can open up something called Google Drive. And you can store things in there like an external hard drive, but in this drive you can create new word processing documents. It's a fully functioning program like Microsoft Office, and you'll have access to word processing docs, spreadsheets, drawing programs, and even a presentation program. I use Google Docs because it allows me to work on my documents anywhere in the world. It also allows me to share my document with my editors. For instance, students can share their documents with their parents and guardians. So you should use Google Docs to write and edit all of your content. It automatically saves everything that you do, which is life-saving. So how many account IDs and passwords do you have? I have hundreds. So what I do is I set up a secure document on Google Drive to store all my account IDs and passwords. Obviously, I don't name the file passwords. I name it something that I'm familiar with, that I would know that no one else would know, because if I named it password, a hacker might go in and say, hey, this says password. I'm going to go access all of their accounts. So if you're not comfortable saving your IDs and passwords on Google Docs, save them somewhere, and you will thank me for this later. And remember to update each password and ID every time you change them, or that might get a little frustrating in the future when you're trying to log into an account and you're typing in an old password and you never updated it in your Google Docs account. All right, the second account that you're going to create is a YouTube account. And you may not use your YouTube account now, but you want to create one in case you would like to use YouTube in the future to do some marketing. So have you ever created a YouTube account? If you have, it was most likely on your personal Gmail account. So you want to create a new YouTube channel specifically for your business using your new Gmail account. You can either access it by going to youtube.com or through your Gmail. If you look at the top right again, at that thing that looks like a white calculator with all those little tiny boxes, click there and you can access your YouTube account right there. So the third account we're going to open up, and this is for the parents and guardians, is a Facebook account. And not necessarily a Facebook account, you want to create a Facebook page. You can use your existing Facebook account if you have one and just create a page with the name of the business. So the fourth account you're going to create is an Instagram account. Again, at your discretion if you would like it. Instagram is insanely popular right now, so it may be a good idea to start marketing your print-on-demand designs and ideas and links on Instagram. Again, parents and guardians, opening social media accounts is completely at your discretion. So have fun. I will see you on the next video.